Data mining uncovers hidden patterns, while data analysis interprets data for informed decisions in the data-driven world. Here are the key differences between data mining and data analysis. Focus: as data mining is focused on discovering hidden patterns and relationships within data, while data analysis is focused on interpreting and drawing insights from the data. Timing: data mining is typically the first step in the data processing pipeline, followed by data analysis. Data analysis depends on the results of data mining. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. Goal: the goal of data mining is to uncover valuable patterns and knowledge, often without specific questions in mind. Data analysis aims to answer specific questions and provide actionable insights. Techniques: data mining involves machine learning and pattern recognition techniques. Data analysis employs statistical and mathematical methods. Outputs: data mining produces patterns, associations, and clusters. Data analysis makes summaries, visualizations, and inferences.